run.Still 19 April up here on this crack block repair on the split grill 140. This epoxy set up hard as a rock, just like it's supposed to. Looks like I got good adhesion everywhere, and the area of the crack was here, traversing over this way to here, or about here actually where I drilled it. Drilled it about over here. And this epoxy is hard as a rock, which that's a good thing. So I could probably stop right now and call it done. I think what I want to do is take some emery cloth, smooth it out, blend it in a little bit, get any excess off I don't like. Might run another bead right where the crack was and the reliefs I put on. So I'm going to call that a good repair. Again, nothing on my finger at all. And it is hard as a rock. So we're going to say success. Of course, I'll know more when I fill it back up with coolant. And on the drain, I had a 1/4 inch plug. I picked up some just generic aftermarket 1/4 inch pipe radiator drain valves, the typical kind with a little butterfly on it. Put that on. That's about it. Let me get to sanding. Thank you.